Okay, hello. I've got a balloon that I've blown up, ready to make a balloon animal, and today I'm just going to show you how to tie off this balloon. A simple way to tie off this balloon. So obviously it's inflated right to the end, which makes it difficult because you haven't got a lot of space to turn it. But if you grab it sort of down there, way down, maybe spin it around a bit and hold it tight, and let the top go, then suddenly you've got a lot of space there, or a lot of balloon there to tie it up with. So there, 2 fingers, sort of down towards the end, go around once with that piece of balloon, and spin it under, and then through your fingers like so, and then what you need to do is get that little top there on the other side of that part of the balloon. So just pop it under like so. One more time, there we go, and then hold on to it and pull it sort of away from your fingers, and there we go. The balloon is nicely tied, simply and quickly. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.